Best Fire TV Stick 2021. If you're looking for a great streaming device, we have ranked the best Amazon Fire TV Stick that you can buy right now. The streaming stick is great low-cost option to bring all of your content you want into your living room. And there really isn't a better option than a Fire TV Stick. It comes with a handy Alexa Voice Remote and is the best all-around version of a Fire TV device. So let's start. Number 1. Fire TV Stick Lite. Our most affordable Fire TV Stick. Enjoy fast streaming in full HD. Comes with Alexa Voice Remote Lite. Press and ask Alexa, use your voice to easy search and launch TV shows across multiple apps. Easy to set up, stay hidden, plug in behind your TV, turn on the TV and connect to the internet to get set up. The include Alexa Voice Remote Lite does not have TV controls and will not control power and volume on your TV, soundbar or receiver. If these features interest you, we recommend Fire TV Stick, which comes with Alexa Voice Remote with TV controls. Number 2. Fire TV Stick 4K. Unlock a complete 4K Ultra HD experience with support for leading HDR format, Dolby Atmos audio, access to the latest 4K content, and a lightning-fast processor. Fire TV Stick 4K enables you to experience the beauty of 4K Ultra HD movies and shows on your TV. Finding 4K HD content has never been easier on Fire TV. Just press and ask Alexa, find 4K movies, or browse recommendations on your home screen. You can control your compatible TV, soundbar and receiver with power, volume and mute buttons. Just press and ask to easy find, launch and control movies and TV shows. Number 3. Roku Express. Roku Express streaming media player delivers a smooth HD streaming experience on your TV at our best price. It's easy to get started. Just plug it into your TV with the included high-speed HDMI cable and connect to the internet. With a short step-by-step setup and an easy on-screen experience, Roku Express media player is perfect for new users, but powerful enough for seasoned pros. Stream what you love, including live TV, news, sports, hit movies, popular shows, and more. Plus, with the access to hundreds of free channels, there's plenty to enjoy without spending extra. It's easy to stream what you love and cut back on cable TV bills with access to 50K plus movies and TV episodes across thousands of free channels.